Hello my friends. How are you all today? And tell me honestly, how am I looking today? Do you think I look nice in this outfit? I need to go to a party shortly, so I had come to this beautiful parlor to get dressed. Do you think this shiny dress looks good on me? Zac wants everyone coming to the party today to look dazzling. So I thought, why not share this describing word with you all for our session today. So, here we go. The word dazzling means something that is super bright, shiny, and beautiful. As an adjective, this word is so powerful that it makes you say, wow, when you see or hear it. Fun fact, did you know that the word dazzling comes from the Middle English word dazzle, which means to blind with light? A few other words with a similar meaning are sparkling and stunning. Hope you are understanding this. Let's look at a few sentences to make it more clear. First sentence. The fireworks were dazzling as they lit up the night sky. Another sentence would be, everyone in the party was wearing dazzling outfits that sparkled under the bright lights. We can also use the word dazzling to describe something that is very cool or amazing. Like, the magician performed a dazzling trick on stage. Hope you got it? Now, practice this word today and make more sentences to understand it better. I need to go and show this dazzling dress to Zac now. So, all of you take care and have a wonderful day, and I shall meet you again very soon.